Hi guys, this is Brownie from Manhattan, New York, and I'm coming to you guys with part 4 of my prepping to do my hair. So you guys, I just finished cutting my ends, and I'm going to be applying my Dr. Miracles Tingling Intensive Deep Conditioning Treatment. I would suggest to anybody, whether your hair is healthy or not, that you should cut your ends once a month, because I do. So far this is what I've cut, and some is on the floor a little bit, and some is maybe on my shirt. So this is all my ends that I've cut, and this is how my hair looks right now. So I cut all my ends, and I'm combing through, making sure to get all the excess hair out before I place my deep conditioning. As you guys know, I did pull out my edges with the last, just a little bit over here and just a little bit over here with the last install that I had glued in. So I'm also going to be updating you guys on that. For the most part, my edges are there, just this little spot over here where the glue was, and this little spot over here where the glue was. So as you can see, I washed my hair out with this shampoo and conditioner. You guys can go back to my part 3 and you will see what is in my shampoo and conditioner that I'm currently using. So I am now going to be filming putting in my deep conditioning. So I just combed through my entire head to make sure nothing is there. Doing that again. Okay. I use my local beauty supply Annie stainless steel scissors to cut my ends. This is the hair scissors that I purchased at my local beauty supply store, that I showed you guys the name of on the calendar on part 2 and 3. So I'm going to be applying this in my hair, guys, and then I will use a plain plastic bag to cover my hair. For this is, I leave this in for an hour and a half. It says how to use after shampooing with is Dr. Miracles 2-in-1 Tingling Shampoo, or my Dr. Miracles 2-in-1 Shampoo. Use a generous amount in your hair from roots to end. Massage in your scalp. Now enjoy my famous Feel It formula. Use a plastic cap over your hair and sit under a warm dry for 10 to 15 minutes, or leave a plastic cap and no heat for 30 to 60 minutes, depending on condition of your hair. Rinse very thoroughly and towel dry for best results. Follow up with my healing styling foam, perfect for rapid roller sets or a generous amount of relaxed hair portion before blow drying and styling. Now I have used his foam and I don't like it because it makes your hair hard. So I don't want my hair to be hard when I use that foam, especially if I'm doing a wash and set. So I want to wrap it and then let it down. I don't want it hard where it's like stuck in one position, or when the wind blows I want it to blow my hair. So I don't use his styling foam anymore, but I do still use his deep conditioning treatment and his intensive spot serum. So I'm going to use this on my edges, and they're going to be back whether or not I use this. But this, I think, makes my hair more healthier with my split ends, so I'm not using this as yet. But you could use this with your conditioner together and leave it on for an hour as a treatment, and then when you wash it out. But because this is oily and this does the job, I don't need to put it together, so I just use this one alone. I will be using this though before I blow dry my hair. So I'm just going to open the pack, and I'm just going to place a good amount, squeeze out the entire packet contents. In my hand, and it does tingle and burn. So especially since I just permed my hair, I will definitely feel it invigorating and tingling. This is a good tingle to me. It's not a bad tingle. It's a good tingle because it's a tingle that you can feel it working. And I apply it around my edges first. And then I apply the rest to my whole hair. And I work it out, because I want to make sure that it's in my hair very well. So I'm working this in really well, guys. Then I just mold back my hair. I comb through. After the 60 minutes, my hair will be kind of hard. So I'm combing it in. So now I'm just smoothing it in with the back of my comb. I'm smoothing it in my hair. I still have a lot of hair left, even though I cut my ends, so I kind of grip it as if I'm putting in a ponytail, and then I just twist it around. And then I take my handy dandy plastic bag and I just place it on top of my head like this. And I just turn it, making sure to cover my entire hair. And I need it kind of tight because I need it to hold in the heat. So I just kind of like twist it and put it to my head. I usually use a little bigger of a bag, but this will definitely do. So as you guys can see, I'm making sure that the entire of my hair is covered. Then I'm just going to rinse off my hands. I just rinse my tools. It's always very important to rinse. I use soap and water on both of them. It's always important to keep your tools clean because you need your tools over and over. And then I just grab my hair out the sink. Then I just grab my hair from letting it go down in the drain. And I just grab it. So I grab my hair in my hand. I don't allow it to go down in the drain. So this is all my ends I cut, guys. And I just grab it with my hand when I can grab. These are my ends. Then I just take some paper towel, some toilet tissue, and I just wrap that in there. You can flush it down the toilet, you can throw it in the garbage. I suggest you throw it in the garbage because you don't want your drains clogged up. So I put all that here in the tissue. And I clean out the sink of whatever else here is left. And what I can't grab with my napkin, I just rinse out. I just rinse down the drain. And I wash my sink out with some soap. Soap and bleach mixed together. Just wash my sink out. Make sure it's clean. So I'm washing the sink out, washing the pipe off the sink out. I have all my garbage in my hand to throw in the garbage. This is now how my sink looks. I grab my scissors, my tools to put back after I finish using them. My neutralizing shampoo, I grab that to put back in the closet. So I put that back in the closet where it belongs. You can see I put it back in the closet. It's right there where it belongs, the one with the green top. I take my garbage that I have in my hand and I throw in the garbage all my hair and everything. My tool I put back in its place so that I can have it for another time. I have 2 scissors down there, so I just put that back there. I check the time to make sure that I keep it in long enough. So right now it's 11:33. Gonna zoom in so you guys can see the cable box. It's 11:33. So I am going to wash this out of my hair. Bella's sleeping, guys. See, she's asleep. I'm going to wash this deep conditioner out of my hair in 2 hours. I was going to leave it for an hour and a half, but I'm going to leave it for 2 hours. So 11:33, 12:33, at 1:33 I will be washing out my hair and I will be recording again. So that will be part 6 of this. So stay tuned, guys. Again, this is Brownie from Manhattan, New York, and this is Sunday, October 12th. Mwah! In the meanwhile, I will be doing my nails and watching a movie. So stay tuned, guys.